Hi, welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. This week I'm going to go over using sophisticated finishes rust to rust model cars. This is one of those think outside the box, look other places for modeling materials. This particular product comes from Hobby Lobby or wherever. And if you see this car, see the rust on the floor and the rust on the doors and this little rat rod thingamajigger I built here. And what you do with this, it has two parts, comes with directions. And it's one part which is a steel, and it's basically liquid metal. And you brush that on and you let it dry. And then you got the second part, which is like the rusting material. It's like an acid. And then you brush that on and you put it in a Ziploc bag, and it depends on how bad you want to rust. You let it sit, and then this is the final product.
How long?
It all depends. I just let it sit overnight. The directions tell you how long it takes. And then there's your rusted product. All the rust on this, or 99% of it, was done this way. And that's it for this week, and I'll see you next week with another tip. Thanks.